Welcome to a new video on trading for beginners. Previously I had uploaded text to image generator AI tool, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you with free text to video generator AI tool. This tool is awesome. You can generate unlimited of videos with the help of this AI tool. Now let's get started how you can generate videos with the help of this AI tool. Now first of all, open any internet browser and search Pixforce AI. Pixforce. Create breathtaking videos with Pixforce AI. Open this website. You can generate video through Discord community, or also you can do this on Get Started in web. You have to create a free account to generate these videos. Don't worry, you don't need to provide any debit or credit card to create a free account. I had already created an account, so I had directly entered to the dashboard of this Pixforce. Now you can see some of the example and the prompt used to generate these videos. You can generate this type of videos easily. Now click on this create. You can see some of the example that I had already created with the help of this AI tool. Now I am going to create new one. Now give a prompt, and you can turn this on, inspiring prompt to dual clips. It will automatically generate an extra video for you which will slightly accurate. Then you can choose this style like realistic, anime, 3D animation, CG, etc. I am going through this 3D animation and click on this create. Our video is generating. It will take couple of minutes to complete. Now let's see how accurately you can deliver a video for us. Here is a woman who is singing a song in the studio. You can add more specific promo to get accurate result. Now go back and check another video. You can see here the woman is singing and crying. Since this is in testing phase and starting of AI text to video, it will be more accurate in coming days. You can simply download these all videos on your local device too, so that you can use this for your next video editing project. I hope you love this video and find it helpful. If you love this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and also subscribe Trading for Beginners, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest uploads. I am regularly update of video related to RDP, free hosting, free domain, free keyword research tool, AI tools and many other topics. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.